I don't think I'm good.
Oh, that I tried.
Interesting. Like, stop. Do you want to? No, that one I'm not good. You do have to do some work. Watch it. Off every single step we do. Why do you give up? Shit. No. I want to be. I'm kind of confused. How is? She could join again. She's not working till later. Chef, thank you. Shameless.
Now my hair.
That one. I love this. I burped like same. Are you that? Hi, Karina. How are you, girlfriend? Yeah, join. Oh, I can't say that. I have one in me. There's Pepsi in there. More from Zoe. It got stuck. It happens. Oh. Blink. If y'all know who she is. She does scratch offs and stuff, and she always gets them. My toesies too.
I'm not showing my toes until I get more gifts.
Hey? Who did you wear? Oh. 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 Okay. Ew. Thank you for the roses. We can stuck. There you go. Oh, he's getting stuck.
Ew.
Thank you for the roses. It's stuck. We also have cold Pepsi.
Yeah.
I feel like there's like a couple followers trying to.
Tony T. Just send my snap with me.
No, because most of them don't. Thank you, anime. See it. It's great on my picture. Yeah. Ew. Hi. Let me know when you're ready.
Plato's clock.
Stop. What'd you give him, though? Oh. And, titanium. I'm just like, Are you my dad? And my glasses. Who is the? Keep carrying. Then my grandma goes. This room up. The roof fell off. Spend your money. I'm kind of. Excuse me.